Good morning, friends. How are you all? Welcome to my channel. It's early morning. I just woke up and I just thought, okay, today there's lots to be cleaned in the kitchen. So today I'll take you to my kitchen and we'll do some cleaning, friends, of the sink. So the sink over here is very dirty because these are old apartments. The sinks get very dirty. So I've learned how to clean it and make it sparkly. You can see there are black spots, and in every week I do this job. So it takes a longer time. So here I've taken Dawn liquid soap. You can use actually anything. So you don't have to say that, oh, I don't have Dawn. You can use any liquid soap. So just sprinkle any liquid soap properly and sparingly. So this is not a sponsored video. I like this product, so I bought this product. So I use this Barkeeper's Friends cleanser, and it says that it is very good on stainless steel, porcelain, ceramic, copper, brass, fiberglass, and Korean chrome, aluminum. So I like this, and it really does its job well. Here I sprinkle it. So here I'm taking a wet sponge. I'm just wetting it quite well. I'm sprinkling some more water. Now make it like a paste. Just make it like a paste and spread it all over. So this is the thing which I have kept it, and it strains out all the dust particles like cilantro, tomatoes, onions. So you can just keep this for extra protection. It will really filter. And you should always wear gloves for doing this kinds of jobs, because your nails can get so bad and then we will not have good nails. So this is the second sink which I'm doing. This is also for protection so that the things don't go inside and spoil the grinder of the sink. So now you clean up the taps and all and make it sparkling over here. And this is very dirty too. This is dirty too. This is very, very dirty. In one week it becomes very bad because it is really old apartments. Very old apartments. So now you clean up the taps and all and make it sparkling over here. And this is very dirty too. This is dirty too. This is very, very dirty. So friends, I sometimes miss India because at least in India you have servants. But from the time I've come here into this country from 21 years, I've been doing this, and I don't feel that we cannot do everything. So we have to do all this kinds of extra work with cooking, with cleaning, with doing everything. So here I've rinsed it well. See the condition, friends. Now it's looking so clean and nice. It is so much of work. It really took like 15 minutes for me. So once you do it, it will take at least 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and you have to really rinse it well. And wear the gloves because over here I'm using extremely hot water. At least I'm thankful that there is a spray where I can just spray and clean up so well. I'm so happy that there is a spray over here. Oh, it took away all my energy. Oh. See friends, how clean it's looking after doing all this. It's so clean and nice now. See, it's become so clean and clear. It's so good. So I just wanted to say that Barkeeper's Friend is a very good cleaner. It's not a sponsored video. I bought it by my own money, and here I am. If you need to contact me for any cleaning or anything and give you reviews, I'm open to all, and you can contact me through Instagram, through Facebook, and through YouTube. So here it becomes sparkling clean. And I'm wiping it off with the cloth now. You really need a nice rug to clear it up. See how much dirt comes out. Oh my. So I hope you all like the cleaning which I showed you today. If you like it, share it and subscribe. And here I'm doing more cleaning. So here I'm rinsing the cloth well, and you just I've showed you how I've cleaned my stove top also. I'll give a link of it in the description below. I hope you all like my cleaning videos, cooking videos, and all this cleaning which I do and show you. It takes like 15-20 minutes and sometimes an hour just to clean up the kitchen itself. Putting some baking soda so that the sink smells good. This is the trick. So I'm putting in both the sinks. So just use it. I've emptied it out well. And here is my distilled vinegar. I bought it from Costco, I guess. It's an Hearns one. I know it's a big one. But then I will have to pour it for the kitchen, and I use a lot for the cleaning also. So this will activate the baking soda, and it will take away all the dirty smell. So here it is. Just see, friends, how nicely it is clearing up, and this makes it clear also. So here I'm just rinsing it off again, and all is clean and clear now. It's smelling so much better. You just need to keep doing this often. So now it's the second sink. See how nicely it just cleans and clears. I removed my gloves off because now the sink is so clear. But you should not remove this. The gloves when you're cleaning it. It really is very dirty and gross. So here is my sink. I hope you all liked it. So now I'm just using normal water here, and it's all done. Clean, clean, clean. The lovely kitchen. Oh, friends, how easy it was to clean, and it took a lot of time, but this is how I clean. And as the apartments are too old, they get dirty within 3 or 5 days itself. So this is what I do every 5 days or 4 days, or every week actually I should say. This time it became a week because I felt a little lazy and the weather changed, time changed, and it started becoming too cold. I'm shivering now also. I'm with my jacket and all. So I hope you liked it, friends. And if you have liked it, like it, share it, and subscribe. Bye.